Good day, everyone. This is a tutorial to learn how to install WordPress on Google Cloud using the Bitnami platform. Our tutorial will create a private and public key for easier FTP configuration. There are 3 steps in this tutorial. First, we will create a project in Google Cloud. Second, we will configure WordPress in Bitnami. And third, we will log into WordPress. Feel free to pause your video anytime you like. Okay, now we will click the Google Cloud Console on your top right side of the screen. After we do this, we will select an existing project or create a new project by opening the drop-down menu in the above left side of your browser, as you see here. Either select a current project or create a new one. In this case, we will create a new one. Okay, now we'll go to the Google Cloud Platform dashboard and click on the hamburger menu in your upper left-hand corner of the screen and select API and Services. Oh, be sure your project's name is on the top. Go to the library inside the API and Services and search for Computer Engine API. Okay. Now you will click Enable in the next window. It'll take a while, so be patient. After you do this, you will go again to the library inside the API and Services and search for this time at Cloud Deployment Manager version 2. Okay, we click it and we'll do the same as the last time. We will enable it. Okay, we have finished the first part of the tutorial. We will go now to install WordPress in Bitnami. WordPress can be installed directly on Google Cloud. I choose to install WordPress through Bitnami because I have found less problems later on. But you can do it directly in Google Cloud if you like. Okay. We now enter the page of bitnami.com. Log in. First-time user will need to accept and authorize permission and accept terms of service in Google Cloud and Bitnami. Select Google Launch Cloud. And click on Virtual Machines afterwards. Yeah, we first have to log in again. and log into virtual machines. It asks us to log in again. I don't know why. Now it asks us to create or write a Bitnami Vault passphrase. This passphrase is unique and cannot be recovered. If you lose the passphrase, you cannot access your Bitnami Vault anymore. So keep it in a safe place. Okay. We now have the option to create a new virtual machine on the blue tab. We click the blue tab right here. And wait for the next. This is the configuration page for WordPress of your new virtual machine. You put a name, TE, we're going to put, we select a project, the project that we did before on Google Cloud. And the rest, we will leave the same. The only thing that we can change, that I'm going to change right now, is the disk. I'm going to put 30 megabytes instead of 10 gigabytes, I'm sorry. On the right side, you have all the servers in the world that you can choose from, whichever one is is nearest to you. And we're gonna choose the minimum processor. Oh, let's change it to 30 gigabytes. Everything else can be changed later on your VM instance in Google Cloud. Now that we have everything settled, we will create the WordPress site. If this is the first time you get in, you will see a series of steps to enable all the APIs. Go through them. You already have enabled them all. Afterwards, we will be presented with this window. Here you have all your initial user and password and private and public key that can be used later for FTP configuration. Okay. You have your IP address here. That will be your initial IP address that you can go to before you put your domain. You have your specifications, the service specifications here, the cost, the estimated cost that you will not need to pay for the first year. And then on your left side, you have your user, your initial password that you will use. So the last step that we're going to take is to go to your WordPress for the first time. Okay. So we'll go to the administration page of the WordPress. Click here. We will put your user as a user, and we will copy the password and paste it over here. Okay. And that's it. We enter WordPress. Congratulations. You have made it. Thank you very much.